Hi, my name's Dr. Dar. I'm one of the cataract surgeons here at LASIK Associates. A common question we get in the clinic is patients asking us if they're a LASIK candidate or if they have cataracts and need cataract surgery. The first thing to understand is the difference between the two. LASIK or PRK or any refractive surgery procedure done is lasering the cornea, the front clear part of the eye, to change your prescription number and reduce glasses or contacts dependence. Whereas cataract surgery is the actual lens inside your eye, the crystalline lens, that gets cloudy and full of proteins as we age. We now use a laser to do the cataract surgery, but this is different from LASIK. In cataract surgery, we use a laser to break up and remove that cataract, as well as help treat your astigmatism, after which we put in a new artificial lens implant that will last for the rest of your life. That lens implant will then correct the vision, and there are varying degrees of vision correction we can now offer based on what lens implant you may choose. Another common question we may get is, what are the lens implant options now, and what's good for me? Well, every patient is different. Some patients may prefer a monofocal or single vision lens where they focus in the distance and use glasses for intermediate and near vision. Some patients may prefer a lens that gives them some range of vision. There are different categories, one being extended depth of focus lenses that get you distance and intermediate, and also trifocal or multifocal lenses that get more range, such as the PanOptix lens, which gets you far, intermediate, and near. There are many different options, and new technologies always coming up with different lens implants. So discussing with your doctor is very important to figure out which lens is good for you.